Hello! In this video, I'm going to share with you features of Instagram to provide feedback. Click on the profile icon to post something on your story. Click on question sticker box to ask a question. Type your answer and click on Send to interact. Click on Poll box to create a poll on your story. Type your question and answers. Select one of the answers to react to a poll. To create an emoji slider, click on the emoji slider box. Type your question and select an emoji. You can react by sliding the emoji. To share a quiz sticker, click on the quiz sticker icon and type your question and then answers. Click on the correct answer. Select one of the answers to react. To share an Instagram Reels video, click on the plus sign and select Reel. Add your videos and photos. You can also add small features, including a text. When your Reel video is ready, click on Share to share it with others. Use like or comment buttons to interact. To create a remix video, go to the original Reels video and select Remix. You can add different videos and photos to your remix video. Remember that Remix is a way to give feedback on a reel. Additionally, you can add hashtags using the text box. When your remix video is ready, click on Share button to share it. You can use like or comment buttons to interact with others.